Alright guys, here it is, the 2022 KTM 500 EXCF. This is your performance dual sport, and it looks awesome for 2022. Got the blue seat, got the dark blue graphics, ties it in together nice, natural tank, looks fantastic. As far as updates for 2022, the only real updates are in the suspension, and they're pretty substantial. Alright guys, major updates to the suspension this year. A lot of hardware changes, obviously valving changes. I went over all the details to those updates in the 350 EXCF video. So if you want to find that video, I'll put a link below. I talked over all those details. So fantastic bike, probably my favorite dual sport. Looks good. Let's go ahead and start it up and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in one of these, email sales@AOMCMX. They'll get you hooked up. See you in the next one.